Hello family them, we don't come. And today on video, we prepare for you a sweet place for show you around. Today, we're there inside for my community. And now do they go so? For my community, now just like a village. So today on video, we're not going to talk about who, because the residents them now the place get important something for talk about now this particular place. So if today na your first day for watch a video na this channel, a big subscribe, like the video, comment, and don't forget for press the bell. So let we enjoy, because now we can go inside for my community. So yes sir, you can tell me your name and you know that's around this community.
I'm Musa Samuel. I'm the youth leader. As I'm age carry on, I decide to at least change the pattern and give back to the young people. And at the same time, in the district council, we are for Western Yahoo district. I'm born and bred of meeting. And also the World Secretary format for the All People's Congress.
Okay, so actually today our first day for come inside meeting. Is there any story we get for tell you about this particular place since you are the son of the soil?
Well, in fact, to some extent, if you ask say meeting, there are certain people where before first something we call and say Fomai. Fomai is the household name, but Newton is the actual name for ya. But when you say Fomai, is the household name, plenty people. And before Fomai, they get one name where the negative and the people in here say, hey, Fomai, I didn't go do this, I didn't go do that. And Fomai, they inside the Kuyahuga district, we make up the 6 area. So like Newton in particular, now one of the 6 areas inside Kuyahuga district started. Inside these 6 areas, now the Kuyahuga district, we get Newton, we get Malambe, we get Fabaina, we get Mobapti, and we get Madonge. We comprise of 6 areas. So Newton is one among this area. Fomai, to be specific way people can call. 20 years back, not to be the looks of Fomailis. You know, like I said, they say people be scared. When some of you be the good tongue, they come. Way up, you go turn and say, hey, what's up when you say Fomail, they scared of you. To some extent, if they do business self, now yeah, you go talk somebody want to dupe you and say, I tell you when Fomail are there, you don't create panic, people will fear. If you them want do yourself now, they will fail for do something. So they may get that kind of, but alhamdulillah, how people did interpret and before, not so easy now. Because when you check for my, as I said, 20 years back, we don't get prominent people away come out in this particular side. If we history can check back from the days of we don't hear about the likes of Mishekanu na born of Koya. The former president, the NPRC leader when I be former president Strasser and former Baptist area, and they come out. And we don't get plenty MPs them. The former chief whip of the All People's Congress, Honorable Claudium Commander, are from Newton. And as we talk to you so now, we get the sitting MP when Honorable Bakafofana Esquire are from Newton. So comparing the days where them they fear for my, because in those days nobody expect say they will get any kind of prominent people there. Or in order to see for my say I know you are better, no, this person no go better. So like if you compare those days to now, you will see the kind of development. And one for thank God for intervention when I don't know about what father. If you might get this look still like it today, I want by the pioneer supported by we always Dean and Newton and Koya as a whole. Because in those days I mean just their shots be the serious most of a makeshift structure. When you assume leadership 2018, he decides, you know, we need to change the face of a new thing. We need to change it. So bring different people there. In fact, if we have come now, all walks of life, cut across, you know, put them as political business, you know, turn an APC, bring everybody come, APC, SFP, NDP, we all come together, we change the looks of the mile. You can see the like today for mile gets story building. Oh, well, after God, now with the intervention of another and you know, only tap the population in those days. Honestly, if we say, for example, we take one community inside Newton here, like for example inside Queen's Alfred Road, if you check, even if you know real around the community itself, you can sit on a quiet corner, you check all the houses every day. But for now, it's not possible because the area don't so large an extent that the district council self they realize it. Now they take license and use them now then this house rate. In those days, well, not be said they not be considered, but better houses they not been there, better businesses they not been there. So like we are less considered. But now if you go na the youth na the district council na Waterloo, well they will give good records of new thing because the area don't big. And inside the area, if we can be specific, for Newton, for mile in particular, outside the Edman cover, we get from Cove, one creek there in a Cove, from that area there to Kabasa Junction. From that Kabasa Junction, you're talking of the old road. From that point, you can inside, this is at the central of Newton, you get the Limba corner, you get the Guata area, all of the area, they know the name to you, so all on field with houses. In those days, I'm a bush. First time, like you say, for my before my Renaissance Center, you say, Babu don't want but Babu don't want. But now there is no place. There's no bush for all of those animals. So snake and no, don't forget all those things. Very difficult time to let somebody see snake right now.
So actually, you mentioned say people will be afraid do now. So what do you do now? Like, how will be try for mingle with people? What do you do now feeling whenever you want to mingle with somebody outside from somebody know they are? What do you do now feeling when you want to mingle with that person there and the person they try for like afraid do now? What do you now feeling?
Well, not so like afraid per se. And you know, like what they say, that the narration might be too bad. People they come up from different sides, come up do bad, you can't see them. Where they actually say for mine. But on a more serious note, Kumal became one good thing where Sierra Leone be proud of. When you check in those days, we been get the second largest poultry for West Africa, and for Mali be in Kabasa. In those days, as I tell you, if you come off Freetown, you know we even crossing where they call Freetown, where you think of fruits, vegetable, nah. As you reach here, you get everything where you want. So then time and day, and we been get people who be the men. Other people and they will get all that bad way they do, but like not like who will say as you appear, they say it's from mine, then go afraid you. The only thing that it is very difficult for somebody to take advantage over people or say that we advantage in and all. And we get prominent people as they say cut across the world, all over. If you click now and go for Koyao and this street, you will see plenty of people who come up and say, I hail from that particular area. I hail from that side. So you will see say the changes don't occur. Changes will happen. The fearness in those days has gone. So no more fear. If you play like a today, like a with a team up here, no, not an extraordinary thing. Everybody can live. And like when I've been in the dark days, people just get that kind of fear. So if somebody aid at from Freetown, that time they will take say I want to go Kabbalah, I go look if na this and do that. They say go for my back and give medicine well and something like that one day.
Okay. So we then tell me how the development done be now for the people already around here.
Well, now a gradual process. That's my development. Development need to take a one at a go. From then days and day, we for mile, where we they say we market first. We been get first of all up here by the mocks near the Ahmadiyya school. We been get and then time they be the whole road we operate. So this new road not been there. So if you compare then days and day to now, a lot of difference to happen because then ten in a so bafa idea not be there, money not been there, the awareness not been there for put some kind of structure or for even develop this kind of way. And for the entire Koya, this particular side, now just Amadia will be get a secondary school. You see, if you see Jopia now, pass you go now at Alo, we will go attend Peninsula and all that. But for Fumalia, I be Amadia. When you think about the primary school, one amongst them now the IEC primary school when I go. So that be the two most famous schools and that one they been there in those days compared to now. If you say make you take data for just Newton no more for secondary school and primary school. For the primary, you will get up to 20 primary schools or more. For the secondary school, you will get more than 5 secondary schools where they around Newton no more. So you see how development is going, a gradual process. And with time, we expect more than that one because population don't increase. Houses and infrastructure don't increase plenty one. First time they will not be member for the state. Also will cash, will get pharmacy. Even if you want to buy ordinary ORS in those days, you should go at Alo. But now you go count past 3, 4, 5 pharmacy and Newton and no more. You go carry, you buy. In those days, people they come and they surround the village like Madonke, Fogo, Fabaina, Moparia, all in the name for go buy business at Alo. But now it's not possible. All the common Ghana for my junction, buy waiting they need, then they return back to the various communities. So you see how the development don't take place. It's very, very different from now to in those days.
So now that one of the elder them now the community talk about, and for every community there is strong story for tell. So now we can go deeper inside for my community than inside Newton so we can go deeper for hear about this particular community and for listening to other voices them around the community as well.
Good afternoon, ma. You can tell me your name and you know that at this community.
Good afternoon to everybody. Me na Councillor Alima to H. Kamara, a second-term councillor, and I also happen to be the headmistress na this grade school where na the Ahmadiyya Muslim Primary School, where I don't teach for over 26 years. Then I don't be head teacher for over 12 years.
Wow. So, Esma, one for know how this leadership don't they go this community so far? You as a woman.
Of course, we know say for be leader, woman leader, it can be challenging. But nevertheless, I don't create so much impact in the community. One, for be head teacher, you know say you don't create a lot of personalities there na different sectors of life. Then I get projects that way they don't do, where if you ask me for make I show you them na the me phone, then they don't make water well. As I talk, if you go down the market, you will see the market where they renovate, where in a World Bank give me that grant. I think say I don't do a lot. Then the junction where they see so for my use for be place where people will not be the value for. I use as not go for can I yourself. because of the things wey dem dey talk about the village. But today, the village don become an eye opener to people dem for can buy land dem na wey people dem dey come. Wey go now all over na the community. They meet big houses dem wey dem. Of course, we get one tribe then a business there, and then Kiseni is outside and the business they on the way na the full of people. If you can na this community, we get a lot of them na the community.
Okay, so during your tenure of a female councillor in this community, what are some of the challenges them we don't face in the community as well?
Of course, the challenges the way I don't face na the community. More especially where it come in terms of land. People and the fights between people and for land business a very great na this community we say we person and where the country where they stretch, because from Watalona to go for lady land so na so majority of the land and then also they find them very difficult. Then also for you get support from the community for let them support you where they do your community work. It can be very much challenging, but nevertheless they do me a little bit way I able for do for my community.
Okay, so you get any proposed plan to the government for this community?
Yes, we get a lot. Of course, this community we get constrained with water na with priority na then the road network is very poor. We go one lay at least the government they self come a little bit halfway, because we know say the council na then they do the small feeder roads them then self they come, but where the government can send that a grant, then we can get from council, then we go able for the, but for now we not able forget that, so we call on the Papa government, make them go come into the aid so that we will able for more development, so that the country at large will be peaceful.
So thank you very much.
So now that's the councillor talk, and now we they come back halfway of the community. Say if we just show you around one part, but we also need for show you again outside the people that they survive. That's not the marketplace. So now we can enter inside the market and let us see how this market are like, because already what the elder them don't talk about this particular community. So let us explore the market and let us see how it's like. And now with the tap for today's video. So if you don't watch today, you can add this part. Thank you. And we wish for see you again in our next video. I beg and for subscribe before the video they end, because more story they come from different community there. Thank you.